Today's topic, money. First, you tell me, why do we need money? हमें मनी की जरूरत क्यों पड़ती है? We need money to buy things. Notes and coins are used as money. And children, every country has its own notes and coins. हर कंट्री का अपना अपना नोट और कॉइन होता है और उसे हम उस कंट्री की करेंसी कहते हैं. So, the money of a particular country is called its currency. So, let us see the currency that we use in India. In India, we use rupee and paise. We use these rupees and paise in form of notes and coins. Let me show you them one by one. Let us see the coins first. Which coin is this? This is a 50 paise coin. This coin is now not used, but still you should know about it. Next coin is 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin. Let us see all the coins together. 50 paise coin, 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin. After the coins, let us see notes used in India. First one is 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note and 500 rupee note. Let's see the notes all together. 1 rupee note, 2 rupee note, 5 rupee note, 10 rupee note, 20 rupee note, 50 rupee note, 100 rupee note and 500 rupee note. Now, let us see the short forms used for rupee and paise. Rupee is written as RE, or you can draw this symbol. Next, rupees is written as RS, or you can draw this symbol. Paise is written as P. आपको ध्यान देना है कि जो रुपी का शॉर्ट फॉर्म होता है उसमें R कैपिटल होगा और E स्मॉल. उसी तरह रुपीज के शॉर्ट फॉर्म में R कैपिटल और S स्मॉल होगा. फॉर राइटिंग द शॉर्ट फॉर्म ऑफ पैसे यू विल राइट स्मॉल p. The next point is most important. 1 rupee is equal to 100 पैसे. यानी 1 रुपी में 100 पैसे होते हैं. नेक्स्ट इज सिंबल ऑफ रुपी और रुपीज. रुपी और रुपीज दोनों का सिंबल एक जैसा होता है. Many children find it very difficult to draw this symbol. लेकिन ये बहुत ही आसान है. आपको सबसे पहले र लिखना है और उसके बाद एक लाइन यहाँ पर खींचना है. This is the symbol of rupee or rupees. So now let us solve some questions. You have to write the short form. First one is 46 rupees. Next 20 rupees. Next 1 rupee. How can we write? Short form of 46 rupees is, first you will draw the symbol of rupees and then you will write 46. Or you can write RS 46. Rupees 46. Next is 20 rupees. How you will write the short form of 20 rupees? First, you will draw the symbol of rupee and then you will write 20. Or you can write RS 20. Both are correct. Any way you can write the short form. Next, 1 rupee. The short form of 1 rupee will be symbol of rupee. Then you will write 1. Or you will write RE1. 1 rupee के लिए RE लिखते हैं और एक से ज्यादा रुपी होगा तो उसके लिए RS लिखते हैं. Next question is 50 paise. How you will write the short form of 50 paise? 50 small p. Next, 35 paise. What is the answer? 35 small p. One thing more that you should keep in mind when you are writing the short form, the symbol of rupee has to be drawn first and then you will write the amount. जब आप रुपीस का शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखते हैं तो रुपीस का सिंबल पहले लगाते हैं और उसके बाद उसका अमाउंट लिखते हैं. अगर आप सिंबल बाद में लगाते हैं तो वो आंसर रॉन्ग होगा. जब आप पैसे का शॉर्ट फॉर्म लिखते हैं तो स्मॉल पी हमेशा नंबर के बाद लगाना है. अगर आप नंबर के पहले पी लिखते हैं तो वो भी wrong answer होगा. So children, this was all about money. I hope all of you have understood this. That's all. Thank you children.